ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Dr. Ampareen lengdo ka balong ka menteri bat ka Nongai ktien jong ka Sorkar jela kalapan kesan halor ke Jingmut jong ka Sorkar ya ki brio ki bala rem election bat ki bemdai syu ki nong mikmat pat ba kum ki advisor ki chairman ki co-chairman ki deputy chairman bat ki wei ka Dr. Ampareen lengdo kalapan kesan syu lengba ki lat patai kubor da ka baong Baga Sorkar ka Donkam ban shim ya ki Jingmut na ki babon ki kenhon. Bat na ki riu shimet ha ki babon ki kam. Bat kani ka day ka bala jule da ki Sorkar ki bala lejno. Bat ka badang yay piteng haduk mentah.
Political appointments has been a debate in the state of Meghalaya for as long as I can remember. Governments have come, governments have gone. And it has been felt required that every government should be given the liberty of appointing important individuals that will help advise the government as non-official members who are not government servants. This is a convention and practice that has been ongoing in the state of Meghalaya for as long as we remember. In fact, it is also important to discuss this, that the matter of political appointments has been a privilege that many MLAs, former MLAs, MDCs, qualified members of the public have been appointed to these political appointments for as long as the state of Meghalaya can remember, whether or not they are necessary. No government will engage individuals of the public, members of the Legislative Assembly, former members with adequate qualification, in any government job or any government appointment which is not required. It is incorrect to think that political appointments are mere political appeasement activities that government is engaging in. We have, as a government, to be able to take expert advice from various non-governmental individuals on various matters. And as this has been the convention and practice, I do not understand how any other government, whether in the past or whether in the future, can deviate from this practice. It is a good practice because, as we have seen, we are able to continue to seek advice, seek necessary work from individuals that have proven to be able to advise government on several matters, be it education, be it health, be it in roads and public works, be it in PHE, be it in any other department, whether it is sports, whether it is art and culture. Government requires these bodies to be formed that are all contributing positively to the growth of the state and the correct advisories for the government in the interest of the public. There is nothing that is not in practice that this government has followed, and I believe that the government, while doing this, is very well informed and very well informed and knows what it is doing. And I am sure that all of these assignments given to citizens of the state of Meghalaya, all have one focus in mind, and that is give governance that is going to be good and that is going to be developing the state in the right direction. So only time will tell whether there will be any government in the future which will be able to stay away from such appointments. The point here is that while debating, it is always good to debate. Government should also be aware of the feelings of various political parties around us on several matters. And on this matter also, Honorable Chief Minister, along with the Council of Ministers, have taken some very proactive decisions which guide the government to restrict and to ensure that there is no lavish expenditure unnecessarily spent on all of these assignments. But to say that the government, the MDA 2.0, is deviating from a known practice is incorrect. Unlikely that governments in the future can also deviate from this. This is something which is necessary, and all of these appointments of these individuals are done with one intention: to assist the government in its governance so that we are well informed, we have more ideas, more heads, looking at challenges of the government, looking at what the government needs to focus its attention on. And I can only say that these appointments help the government in several ways.